Toshi coin holders, you guys need to prepare yourself right now for what is about to happen. Now, this is the Toshi on the weekly time frame. If you're paying attention, Toshi is clearly trading in a bullish pennant. Now, this is what the bullish pennant pattern looks like. This is a clear bullish pennant, and Toshi is now currently trading in a bullish pennant. And let's not forget that on the 4-hour time frame, we eventually broke out of this range, the range between 0.00061 and also 0.00056 level for Toshi. Toshi price is now currently, I think when we broke out, we rallied to as high as 0.00064 and then got a correction to the current price of 0.00062. We are left with 1 hour and 58 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, what we need to see for Toshi is for Toshi to continue to hold above the 0.00061 level, flip it into a support with at least 3 or 4 bullish 4-hour candle in order to continue our journey to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention, we are also going to be talking about the Toshi liquidation heat map on the 48-hour time frame. If you're paying attention, we have a lot of liquidity seated around 0.00063 for Toshi. I think over $19,000 worth of liquidity there, and also we have liquidity below the current trading price of Toshi around 0.00061, 0.00060, and also eventually liquidity around 0.00057 zone, which was the zone we escaped several hours ago around this level, you understand? So we need to just, from the look of things, Toshi is likely to continue to consolidate between these liquidity price levels until we eventually break out to tap into the 0.00075 level. Now, before I proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. For those yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Thank you. We are also briefly going to talk about the orders chart on the weekly time frame. Orders chart has broken above the $305 billion level we talked about in our previous video. It is now trading around $330 billion. We are left with 1 day and 19 hours until this weekly candle close. And not to forget the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is still currently in her season. We are also briefly going to talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, and also this is the orders chart excluding top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space against BTC. Now, if you're paying attention to the orders chart against the BTC pair, you will notice the MACD line is about to cross the signal line to the upside. And the moment that is happening, we are going to get another bullish momentum to the upside. And the moment the histogram is turning green and both the MACD and the signal line is flipping above the zero line and the histogram, then the altcoin market is going to be in an explosive phase. Now, this is the MACD line. The moment these both lines are crossing above the zero line, forget about it, just like we did in the last market cycle. You understand? When we crossed above it, the market exploded. The altcoin market exploded. I think same thing is about to happen, and a lot of people are still going to get sidelined. If you're taking the measurement of this flagpole right here, for the Toshi price, if you're taking the measurement of this flagpole, from the look of things, by the time Toshi breaks out, we should be expecting, depending on where it breaks out from, we should be expecting a rally of we should be expecting the Toshi price to rally into the 1 cent level, which is, wow, massive if you ask me, which is 0.010. So by the time we get this breakout to the upside on the weekly time frame, this is the weekly time frame, a very, very important, significant time frame. By the time that breakout is happening, flipping this upper trend line, which is now a resistance, into a support, then expect Toshi to rally parabolically to the upside. Considering the market sentiment right now and also the altcoin season we are approaching, I think that is going to be an easy move for Toshi. So we need to see the 0.00075 zone flipped into a support with at least several bullish 4-hour candle above it to confirm the beginning of a new trend on the price of Toshi. Think the others chart, which is the rest of the altcoin, excluding top 10 and top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, is about to replicate what Ethereum did few weeks ago. We just broke out of the $305 billion market cap zone, and we are now trading around $331 billion left with 1 day and 19 hours until this weekly candle closes. Now, altcoin season is about to begin. The moment we are successfully closing this weekly candle above this level, then expect altcoin season. You understand? It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. It's going to come like a thief in the night. That was exactly what Ethereum did. When Ethereum broke out with a massive bullish candle above the $2,900 level, we sensed Ethereum price sent to the upside, went parabolic, took the whole market by surprise. We are now currently in the Ethereum season. So sooner or later, we are going to enter into the aggressive altcoin season we all have been waiting for. Like, if you're paying attention to this BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame, you will notice when the altcoin season began in 2017 was when the BTC dominance started dumping aggressively. This is the BTC dominance on the weekly time frame. The BTC dominance is currently trading around 57.46%. I believe by the time the BTC dominance eventually loses the 55.46% level, altcoin market should enter into an aggressive phase of bullish rally to the upside. Like, seriously, like I've said countless times, the moment the BTC dominance approaches the 44-42% level, I will start considering taking huge profit, massive profit off my entire altcoin portfolio and wait for the market to reset, because I wouldn't want to be holding on to my altcoin and get used as an exit liquidity by the whales and market makers. Do you get? So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The moment we start seeing the massive aggressive dump, then I think that dump is likely to take us to 55%, break us below the 55% level, and from there it should be a free fall for the BTC dominance, and that is when altcoins are going to begin to rally against the BTC dominance aggressively to the upside. I think altcoin markets are likely to take out this previous high on the altcoin BTC chart around 0.50 level. We are currently at 0.14. We are left with 17 days and 9 hours until this monthly candle closes. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Starting from now onward, the market should be bullish. You understand? For the entire altcoin. Even if we should get the usual September sharp correction, I think it's going to get eaten up. You get ASAP. If you're paying attention to the fear and greed index, we are currently at 52%. Yesterday was great. 57 last week was neutral. 48% last month was 57%. So I think there's no cause for alarm. We are still expecting the rate cut on the 17th of September 2025. The probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut is currently seated at 93.4%, while the probability of not getting that is seated at 6.6%. So it is obvious we are going to get the rate cut, like seriously, and it's going to send the entire market to the mass. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. I was thinking it was going to be about the buy the news, sell the rumor. But from the look of things, the market hasn't really priced in or reacted yet. So I might be wrong this time around. Maybe what the market makers are trying to do is to go against what we thought was going to happen, or what we thought has been the pattern for news like this and the market reaction. So yeah, fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The entire altcoin market is currently recovering, like seriously. XCN is up 8%, ZBZN is up 4%, MIL is up 10%, Tobo 5%, Bread 6%. Like, a lot of altcoins are recovering. Mana is up 3.3%, Dora is up 37%. That's massive if you ask me. So I think sooner or later we are going to begin to see a 3-digit pump in a single day. Jasmine is up 3.4%, Sand is up 3.4%, Popcat 3.7%. So this is not the time to panic sell at all. We are now closer to the finish line than before.